how to log in to the Wise app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to access your Wise account, well, in today's video I'll show you how to log in to the Wise app quickly and securely. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone. And now here, once you enter the app, just tap on get started, and after that you just have to tap on the login button. And here, once you're inside the login screen, at the top you can see the two text field. So here at first you just have to tap on the email text field and enter your email address you used to register your Wise account. And here, once you're done with that, you just have to tap on the password field and enter the password carefully. And here, if you have enabled two-factor authentication, you have to enter the code sent to your authenticator app or phone. And after that, you can just tap on the login button to access your Wise account. And that's it. That's how you can log in to your Wise account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.